Today we're going to paint some simple watercolor flowers, and I'm picturing some colorful flowers just kind of starting at a point here and moving outward. So oftentimes I will keep some scrap paper beside my painting so I can test out theories and swatch my colors. And these are super simple watercolor flowers to paint. And I will walk you through the process from start to finish. So basically, I am using my rigger brush, size 1, and a size 5 white sable brush from Robert Simmons. And you want to make sure that you have a wet brush when doing these, and you're going to just drop 5 dots onto your paper, and then clean off your brush and have it be about medium wet, and then just drag the color out. And I like to add a different pigment into it and just kind of dab it in so that it bleeds. Let's create another one to give me kind of a visual and to see the formation of where my flowers are going to spread across the page. I'm going to add another one over here to the right. And this is kind of mapping out where I want my flowers to go. And again, we're going to have medium wet brush and just drag some of that pigment out to the edge, forming these petals. And then using my rigger brush, I'm going to pick up a little bit of sap green. And once again, just dab it in so that the colors blend. Just enjoy the process. And if you want to make it a little bit darker, you can do that. It's nice to have various shades of your flower. It adds interest to your painting. Plus you learn a little bit more about the pigment. And what you like and what you prefer. And it just makes you a better artist. Now I'm just painting in some vines around my flowers. It's nice to have your vines intertwine too. It adds a little bit of depth to your painting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly watercolor tutorials. Your support helps me bring more creative projects like this one to life. Happy painting and see you next time.